Hey, this is Ashley from RecPro.com. And when you're in the bathroom, you're washing your hands, maybe you're washing your face, you want a faucet that's going to give you clean, clear water easily. And that is what our selection of faucets here on RecPro.com is for. We have multiple of them, which you can check out on our website, but this one right here is a 2-lever with a gentle arch. It's very simple, very clean, and it is also very lightweight and durable for the RV lifestyle. This simple and clean look looks great with any kind of interior design, and there are also multiple finishes available. This is a standard installation. It has standard installation requirements, so it's going to be easy to install, and you're probably not going to need to change up your system off of what you already had. So if you want to find out more, you can click the link below and then like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.